The Indian financial markets, the Bombay Stock Exchange has taken a giant leap and become the country's first stock exchange to be publicly traded. CNBC TV 18's Yash Jain Areeb Sherwani say the reception on D Street has been fantastic.
3, 2, 1. Congratulations!
That is the sound of history being made. That is the sound of Asia's oldest equity exchange becoming a publicly traded company. That is the sound of a 10-year-long dream becoming reality. And the milestones did not end there. When the BSE's 9,500 owner members set out to issue shares in the exchange to the public, they were aiming for a 4-digit listing, and they were not disappointed. The 1,200 crore rupee IPO, which was subscribed a whopping 51 times, opened at 1,085 rupees per share, 34% higher than the issue price of 806 rupees per share.
This is a culmination of a 10-year-long process of getting BSE listed. It has finally come true today. The issue has got great response. Post-listing also it has been very nice. And as I keep on saying that whoever invests in BSE should first read about BSE. And if they are convinced about the business model only, they should invest. We are basically in the business of compliance, and that will remain our mainstay going forward.
Now, it's no secret that the BSE has been grappling with sluggish growth over the last few years. But experts who manage the IPO maintain that with new initiatives like the International Exchange in GIFT City and an expected entry to the commodities segment on the anvil, BSE will get back on the growth track soon.
There are lots of growth drivers as the Indian economic capital market gets reformed. We have seen, in case of international exchange, currency, mutual fund, platform, and many more are coming about. So as the capital market keeps on getting reformed, exchange is applied for commodities segment. So I think, it will get broad-based from only equity-oriented. It will keep on getting broad-based, and those are the growth opportunities.
Investors can also look forward to value being unlocked when the BSE goes ahead with listing its subsidiary CDSL, where it's required to cut its stake from the current 52% to meet with SEBI's guidelines. The BSE's blockbuster listing also paves the way for rival NSE to make its debut on Dalal Street a stellar one.
The first mover advantage has already happened, but that also helps the other exchange when they list because there's a benchmark valuation to compare with. So I believe actually this would be helping NSE in its listing on determining the valuation which they want to. So I believe this is a great listing for even NSE, not only for BSE.
With the 142-year-old BSE's debut proving to be a winner on all counts, all eyes are now on the National Stock Exchange and how its walk down Dalal Street will be received, and whether the rivalry that began in 1994 with the birth of the NSE will spill over onto a new battleground. In Mumbai with Yash Jain, Areeb Sherwani.